on. Let me revert and let me just flip my camera here.
Okay, here we go.
You seen her fault makeup? She looks like she got hit by a tree.
How do I do it?
I like what? I like a random dude putting his webcam on top of my skirt acting like he's kissing. Who likes that kind of thing? Are you good in the head? Why are you responding? Because some shit in chat. Hold on. Some shit in chat is like annoying, whatever. Some shit in chat is so dumb that I want to point out how dumb it is to further kind of to further assure people what type of stuff is okay or not okay to say in chats. You know what I mean?
I love ya. What's this? Offline Australian got banned for this clip. Wait, but Pokimane's watching it.
Hang on. Let me revert and let me just flip my camera here.
Oh god, that's kind of weird, dude. That's kind of weird, dude. I know what to tell you. What do you want me to tell you here, boys? That's kind of weird, dude.
Are you nuts?
I mean, I've done it though. I've done it in the past. I'll be honest. I've put my camera and motorboated somebody. I'll be honest. I've done it. But yeah, I literally did the same, dude. But still, it's kind of weird. I wouldn't do it now. I've changed. I wouldn't do it now, but I have done it, dude. I have done it, dude. But I wouldn't do it now because it's weird. I've realized it's weird.
Noise, leave it on mute. I'm eating donation noises. Good luck. Meow.
A better one.
Meow. This is fucking stupid. Meow. You guys are wasting your fucking money on this dumb shit. I fucking hate you. Meow. This is fucking stupid. You guys are wasting your fucking money on this dumb shit.
Oh my!
Noise, leave it on mute. I'm eating donation noises. Good luck.
What the hell? Earthquake! Not a joke. Whoa! Whoa! Oh shit. I've never had an alert on my phone for earthquake. Oh my god. Water, there's a big earthquake right now. Water. Oh my god, it's all moving. It's still moving. Hold on. That was the second one tonight. Under the table, not gonna help, dude. Oh, people are leaving the room. I can't read Japanese! Dude, it's still moving. What does this say? I think it says to go down. Go downstairs. Dude. I was shaking, dude.
Are you not scared of snake?
No,
Why?
because I pet my own snake every day, and he's very nice.
Really?
Yeah.
So crazy.
Wow, Raj is very light skinned for an Indian. Okay, dude, come on! Come on! Come on, dude!
Motherfucker.
You ever just see so many juicy guys and then look at them like, man, that's a lot of work. Yeah?
And that's gonna keep your back lifted and your shoulder blades pinch together like the flat back I was talking about earlier, so you're able to reach out and really go to the fullest extent of your stretch.
I'm gonna break! I can't do
So
it!
for now, make sure you're pulling your chest out and think about trying to get that pulled down all the way to the ground. Okay, so now we're going to stretch each side. I'm going to lean forward, grabbing as far down on my legs as I can.
What's up, motherfuckers?
And if you
Motherfucker, are you kidding me, dude?
Look at that petite, slim, pale, short
You know how rude,
cutie in the top
you know how rude that was? What you just did?
So flexible.
Yeah. That was in the middle of a paid meditation session with Jessica.
Wireless mouse.
Are you and Greek still friends? No, fuck him! Fuck him! Fuck him! Wow, because nobody else does. Yeah, I think he's awesome. Wow. Yeah, why wouldn't we be friends? What did he say? What happened?
In here.
I have a timer for that.
Did you put them in at the same
I
time
want
as
to
that?
thank Greek for being an inspiration to me. I used to think if I lost a bunch of weight, I'd get laid easier, but Greek showed me it makes no difference. More chicken nuggets for me now.
Hey Google.
Guys,
Set
Greek,
timer for 7 minutes.
Guys, Greek gets a lot of pussy, okay? What do you want me to do?
Smack him.
Smack what?
I get it. One more time. Oh, I love that.
Dude, please.
Get on that side of the ball.
God.
Ow, not there. Dude.
Do you hit him in the bone?
Keep going.
I'm done, dude. I don't. This
Dude,
is weird.
I like that.
Hi. Wait, so do balls have taste buds? Male testes do have taste receptors. This does not mean you can taste things with your genitals. Okay, I have debunked the rumors. Your guys' balls have taste bud that has taste receptors, but you can't actually taste things. Okay. Yvonne?
Hi. What are you looking at?
It's science, okay? It's not inappropriate. It's literally science.
I think that was a power hit. I don't know. I'm not sure. How do you do it? I did it last time. Oh, you could go... There's a sidestep? I didn't know there's a sidestep. This is some advanced shit.
It's too bad, man. I just stopped smoking yesterday.
You can sidestep. This is a 3D fighting game. Don't fucking forget it. Full 3D fighting game? I didn't know. Nice moves. I won.
Oh, Sailor Moon! Sailor Moon! I found it! Something's a little wrong with the Sailor Moon, but like, still. Sailor Moon 아니야 이거? 옷이 Sailor Moon인데?
I found spoon. I found spoon. Shit, is that a mold?
Oh, because my tongue is very salty. Oh, okay, yes. My tongue is very salty. Yeah.
No, my god. Oh my god,
X-Tails cheered. X100. Should have listened to Gordo always use salt, Pepe laugh.
Perfect. Thank you. Perfect. Finally, perfect.
I actually think this is like perfectly salted. Yeah, I think this is actually very good salted.
Oh my god, look at this guy. This guy's name, Chad, can you see this?
Let's see.
His name is Nick. Look who he looks like.
What the fuck?
He looks just like me. His name is Nick.
His name's Nick. He was so Nick. So look at him.
Look at him.
What the fuck? What the fuck?